Now in this video, I'm going to show you what the ReviewPro dashboard is and explain what exactly it is and how it can help you increase your commissions with product review videos and inside the Amazon Influencer Program. So here I'm looking at a product. It is overnight oat jars, and I have a couple right here. We could see with the ReviewPro dashboard all of the information that we need to know about this product when deciding to review it or not. So for example, to start off, we have these performance metrics here on the top left. At the very top is what we call the ProScore. The ProScore is basically showing you what opportunity this product provides, meaning the closer that this score is to 100, and if it's green, it is an incredibly good product for you to review. And then the next tier below that is going to be if it's yellow or red. So overall, you want to look for green. The higher the number is and the more green it is, the more likely you're going to be making more money and earning more commissions from that product. But if that number is low, typically the product is either very saturated or doesn't really have demand or it's not really selling. Next, we could see the 30-day revenue for the product. It's done $54,000 worth of sales in the last 30 days. Every day, around 100 people buy it. 30 days, every about 3,000 units are selling. And then we have the product details. So like the ASIN, which is the Amazon Standard Identification Number. This is very, very important to know because this is the number that you can copy and paste when you're uploading your review video onto your storefront. And all you have to do is click that copy button and then you can paste it. Then the product price, the rating, this will show us if it's actually a good product that people are buying. And the higher number this number is, then the lesser chance of you getting any product return. So if a customer returns a product after they've watched your video and you're on a commission, it gets refunded. So you don't really earn that commission anymore. Shows you how many reviews that this product has, the best seller rank, what category it's in, which dictates our commission percentage. And then we have the content and media portion. This is very, very important. So we could see at the top carousel, meaning at the top of the product page where our review videos usually show up, there's only one review video. And this equation looks like this. So total, there's one video at the top. And then the 0 is where it shows how many brand videos are posted and then influencer videos. And then at the bottom carousel, there's also one video, which is essentially probably the same product, the same video as the top. And so in all, there's only one Amazon influencer video. What that means is that's incredibly low competition, and that's why it's green. Video placement will show or will tell me if I review this product, where's my video showing up? Is that the top, bottom, or neither? And it's at neither because I haven't reviewed this product, category this product yet. And then we could see sales and inventory, how many sellers are selling this product, the listing age, which is very, very important, especially 15 months. That really just shows me that this product is going to be here for a while. And so it's worth reviewing and adding my video to, because if it's only been available for a month, who knows, maybe the listing might go down. But imagine that you review a video once and you earn maybe just $1 every 2 days, something really low like that. But let's say that it sells for years, like that's unlimited commissions. It is low in stock, meaning if the product goes out of stock and people can't buy it, then you can't earn commissions. So that's just important to know. And then we have the commission structure. This commission percentage is influencer commission percentage. And so I can earn 4% commission if reviewing this product. And that equals out to 72 cents. And then the A commission percentage is going to be affiliate commission percentage if I'm in the affiliate program. And it's 4%. Usually these are the same. Sometimes they're different. So overall, the affiliate commission is 4% of the product price, meaning it's going to be 72 cents. So every time someone watches my video and buys a product, I earn 72 cents from that commission. But it's a pretty good ROI over time because I make a video once, it takes 2 or 3 minutes, and then I can earn unlimited. So this dashboard is straight up a map to your treasure. Let me explain it in a different way. Imagine if we don't have the dashboard. Here's what it looks like. All we see is a price. We have no idea if people are buying it, how many review videos are on this page. It's just like a random guess, and you can guess. It's just like you just have really no idea what you're doing without the dashboard. Let me give you another example. If I were to search for it on Amazon, and I search overnight oat containers with lid, and I scroll down, we could see a mini version of the dashboard here, which will show us the ProScore, the monthly revenue, the top carousel video count, how many influencer videos are on here, our video placement, everything that we need to be successful. So this is like incredibly valuable information because, like I said, this is a map towards treasure. Like this will tell you where the opportunity lies within Amazon. But let's look at what it looks. Let's look at what it looks like without the dashboard. Screenshot. I open up an incognito window and search for it. Once again, you're guessing. It's a random guess, and most people underutilize this. And so with ReviewPro, it is straight up giving you the most competitive edge because you now know where the money lies. You now know where the opportunity is. You can look behind the scenes. You have the blueprint. ReviewPro dashboard is that blueprint. And so if you are not a subscriber or a user quite yet, and you want to try it out, just not really sure, you don't want to pay quite yet, it's all right. There's a free 14-day free trial that you can access, and I'll leave the link down below in the video description. And when you do access the trial, you'll get access to the training course, which is a free course on how to use it correctly and dominate the Amazon Influencer Program, access to the weekly calls, and our premium email newsletter, which essentially will be sending out the best products to review every day on Amazon. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.